Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Tracy Global Kitchen channel. On today's episode, we'll be flying all the way to Japan, guys. In this channel, we're not joking. We are traveling all around the world, just as the name suggests. So, from Japan, I did my research and I decided why not make this delicious souffle pancakes. And these pancakes, by the way, guys, if you are here and maybe want to make healthy pancakes, this video is definitely for you. So kindly stay tuned as we make these delicious souffle pancakes at the comfort of your home with just ingredients which you can find at just outside. Yeah. So for this recipe, I'm going to use 2 eggs. And we are going to separate the egg yolk and the egg white. So if you don't have a machine that can separate that, you should not worry about that. You can just do as I've did. You see, you turn it like so. And by the if you're not so skilled doing that, you can also take a bottle and you try sucking in the yolk. You're just going to do it so easily. So if you don't have a machine, you should not tense about that. So we are going to break the 2 eggs. That is our second egg. You break it and you separate. The egg white should be in one place and the yolk should be in one place. That's our final product over there. So after that, on your egg yolk, you're going to add in 2 tablespoons of milk, and you can either decide to either use fresh milk or almond milk. Okay, then after that, you add in your dry ingredients, which is 3 cups of flour and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. And kindly, you can always adjust that according to the amount of pancakes you want, souffle pancakes you want to make. And I've also down listed down below the ingredients and the measurements on the description box. So trust the process. You just mix until you see such a mixture. And after that, you see, ensure that you also put your egg whites in the freezer for 10 minutes before you start beating them with an electric mixer. And then you add in lemon juice. The lemon juice, it helps, the acid helps in making the egg yolk to be stiff. Okay, so after that, you're going to really whisk for about 10 to 15 minutes. And this is how you have to ensure that your egg white is okay. If you flip it and it doesn't pour, after that, you take a quarter of the mixture, you place it in the egg yolk mixture and you mix this. For this step, you're going to incorporate and introduce the egg white slowly, and it's going to work perfectly. So ensure that you mix until the solution is a uniform yellow solution, or a uniform light yellow solution, and do not overdo things. If you overdo things, your pancakes will not be as airy or as fluffy as you want them to be. So you just do everything moderately, as I've shown you in the video below. And guys, remember that I've tried this recipe for quite some times and I have had some failures, so I'm speaking from experience. So if you don't have a baking piping bag, you can just use a normal bag, just as I'm doing, and you place in your mixture like that. So you're doing like this so that you can start the cooking process. Okay, so you can either use a piping bag or even a spoon. Anyhow can work. Okay, so, and you're also cooking in extremely low heat. As you can see, I've used the minimum heat possible. So you're going to also sprinkle some oil, a little bit of oil. But this is why these pancakes are very healthy, because imagine you're not using a lot of oil, a lot of sugar. So if you want something healthy, something that you can give a person who maybe wants to even lose weight, this is a recipe to go, because even the wheat, we're not using a lot of wheat. So after, you see, you can't even tell that we've put any oil in this pan, right? Yeah. So after that, you're going to place your mixture like that, your butter. You're going to place your butter like that. Okay, so, and your also cooking in extremely low heat. As you can see, I've used the minimum heat possible. So you're going to also sprinkle some oil, a little bit of oil. But this is why these pancakes are very healthy, because imagine you're not using a lot of oil, a lot of sugar. So if you want something healthy, something that you can give a person who maybe wants to even lose weight, this is a recipe to go, because even the wheat, we're not using a lot of wheat. So after, you see, you can't even tell that we've put any oil in this pan, right? Yeah. So after that, you're going to place your after placing, you add in, you put some water. So, and you don't add in a lot of water, you just add in 1 tablespoon of water, and you space the water like so. So the importance of this water is that it's going to help the pancakes cook with that moisture, that steam. Okay, yes, so that is why you put in some water. After that, you cook your, you see, if at all you've placed with a spoon like so, you're going to layer them again like so. So if you layer, it's going to make your pancakes be more fluffy. Your souffle pancakes are going to be more fluffy. So there is also another tip. If at all you even pipe them and you see that maybe they did not puff up, you can always do this. And after you puff, after you double them, you're also going to continue adding some water. Okay, yeah. So after cooking on very low heat for 8 minutes, you're going to flip your souffle pancakes, and guys, look at that color. Look at that color. It has a very good color, a light caramelized color, right? So, and after turning, don't forget to also add in 1 tablespoon of water. And then after also cooking for 8 minutes on the other side, our souffle pancakes are ready. As you can see, they have really puffed up and they really look delicious, and they have also cooked on the inside. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. Bye bye.